Hi, I am Manpreet Singh, and now I am going to share my experience from becoming a BTech graduate to getting into a B school. I still remember those days when I decided to make my career into a corporate world as a manager, and for that I was supposed to attempt various competitive management exams, and for that I was in a great confusion like many of you might be at present. But then I got lucky. I had some seniors in my link which gave me the recommendation. I made the best decision on the subject and joined IMS. Telling you about the faculty member at IMS, like I belong to science background, so the basics in the quantitative were clear, but getting the basics and applying them to solve a competitive question are different things. And there came the role played by the highly experienced faculty members at IMS. They not only told us to solve a question, but they taught us the right approach to look at the question and solve it in a minimum time. Telling you about my verbal skills, I was very much weak in my verbal section, but again IMS had a full-time faculty member, Mr. Rohit Nayak sir, which was always there, which was always available to help us. Not just that, I would like to share that whenever we had some problems, like whenever we had some doubts and we share with Munish sir, he always tried to help us. In fact, he arranged doubt sessions exclusively for us, even for as small as 4 students also. So that is a kind of thing which is not available in all institutes. Then telling you about the course material at IMS. IMS had the best course material, which is very well divided into various sections. It also has eConcept Builder available on the web portal. There the questions are distributed into various levels, and which helps to go step by step to go to the maximum level. Now another very important aspect for preparing for a competitive exam is test series. And talking about the test series, I can say that the test series of IMS is very much to the level of actual exams. And not just the test series, but also the feedback available after the test. Like at IMS, we had some feedback sessions exclusively to tell us that how we can improve and gain more in our tests. They told us about our mistakes personally and then help to achieve more. Now continuing with my experience sharing, I would like to tell you about a very major factor which generally all of us ignore. That is, after getting a good score in CAT, applying for various colleges, filling their forms and get prepared for the GDVI process is very important. For that, I like to share my experience of filling a form for SPJAN. SPJAN has a long 5-page descriptive form which can only be filled by experience. And I still remember the night, it was the last day to fill the form, and Munish sir was there with me at institute, and we filled the form till 11 PM at night. Okay, now continuing with my experience, I would like to talk about the GDPI preparation sessions. Now that is the best thing you can ask for. I mean, you cannot ask for anything better than the preparation which is available at IMS Ludhiana. And the reason is that Munish sir himself. Sir has more than 10 years of experience in the industry, and he has also been a part of various recruitment teams for various multinational companies. So the experience he shared and prepared us for the GDPI session was very helpful in various reputed institutions like SPJAN, IMI, IRMA, IMT, MDI, and various other renowned institutions. Now, I can say that after getting 94.92 percentile in CAT, if I was chosen for SPJAN, it was only because of the experience and the preparation and the efforts put by the IMS. I would also like to share that the preparation which is done at IMS Ludhiana, like I will like to share my experience at the interview of IIT Kanpur. The question asked at the interview were almost discussed in the preparatory sessions with Munish sir, and with the help of those sessions only, I was able to convert calls of IMT, IMI, IRMA, And other, I would like to say that it was only because of those preparatory sessions that I was able to convert calls like XIMB, IMI, IMT, IRMA, and expecting good results from IITs. So I would like to advise you that if you are planning to join an institute, IMS is the best option because it's just not an institute but the best guide, mentor and motivator available. Thank you.